Good evening. I am Dinakar Raj and I am from ECE A section. My roll number 2095 A0442. Topic compression molding in chemistry. So, what is compression molding? So, what is the process? The process of molding a material in a confined shape by applying pressure and usually heat. Compression molding process is followed by two steps. First one is preheating and second one is pre-squeezing. So there is a process description. So this is a figure regarding process description, compression molding, and process description. Charge is placed in cavity of matched mold in the open position. Mold is enclosed by bring the two halves together. Pressure is exerted to squeeze the resin so that it fills the mold activity while under pressure. And this is the process description. Measured powder, mold closure under heat and pressure, final product. So this is the diagrammatical process description, and this is the graphical description of the compression molding. So stages in compression molding cycle. So these are the stages as shown in the graph, and stages in compression molding cycle. The various stages of the compression molding cycle time can be represented as a function of the force required to close the mold at a constant rate. In the plastification stage, the force increases rapidly as per the polymer feed is compressed and heated. So this is the stages in compression molding. And the other topic is stages in compression molding cycle. The second stage flow commences only the yield stress of the elastomer is exceeded. Tc is the point at which the mold fills and compression of the melt occurs. Mold fillings, the majority of chemical reaction should take place after Tc. And compression molding involves parameters which are the quantity of molding material, pressure of the molding process, range of pressure 2000 to 3000 psi, molding temperature range 300 degrees to 375 degrees, and Q time variables, the period required to harden thermosetting material. So types of compression molding. Sheet molding compound SMC. Sheet molding process involves placing a reinforcement such as a glass mat between sandwiching layers of a thermoplastic and heating the materials to produce a single sheet of material. Bulk molding compound BMC. Bulk molding compound by producing a billet of molten material that is placed into a compression molding press which molds the molten material into a part. And materials used in the process: thermosetting polymers, fiber reinforced composite, thermoplastic, ultra high molecular weight polyethylene, long fiber reinforced. So materials properties affected by the process: density, strength, anisotropic property, fiber orientation. So advantages of the compression molding: low cost, uniform density, uniform shrinkage due to uniform flow, improved impact strength, dimensional accuracy, internal stress and warping and minimized short cycle time, high volume production. And there is also disadvantages: curing time large, uneven parting line present, scrap cannot be reprocessed, high initial capital investment. So these are the disadvantages. And applications and products: dinnerware, buttons, knobs, appliance, housings. And other applications and products are radio cases, automotive, ashtrays, and electrical parts. These are also the applications of compression molding. And references: Polymer Processing Fundamentals, a Tim, Carl Hanson, Verlag, Munich 1998. Effect of molding parameters on compression molded sheet molding compounds, part, Jin Ho Jion Journal of Materials Processing, 1977. Thank you.